Okay.
So you just go and watch the video. Does the video help?
Yeah, it does.
It does, right? So you can watch it again.
Yeah.
So leave it as this. Okay, so good luck for your exam, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, as usual, I'm just gonna do, and you sound out if there's anything.
Okay.
Alright, so let's take a look at this first question. So an open box is in the shape of a cuboid. The height of the box is 5 cm less than its length. So given that this is an open box, so visually it looks like this. Open box. Right, so it's can open it. Now the height is 5 cm less than the length. The width and of the box is twice its height. The length with x, so this is x. Now the width, the height is 5 less than the length. So height is x minus 5, and the width is twice. So the width is 2x minus 5. Okay, do you get this? The first part of the story. So write down an expression for the height and the width. So it's already done. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And okay, next. So this one is settled. Next, the external surface is 48. Write down an expression. Equation to represent this information show that simplified. So the external surface area. Where is the external surface area? We have this side. Okay, we have this side, and then we have the bottom. The bottom. Okay. So how many sides are there? So we gotta write down all of them. Okay, first one, we have the. Okay, let's use the purple color. This is the purple color side. Right, so can you tell me what is the area of the purple color side?
2x minus 5
Times
x minus 5.
Yeah, so this is one of it, right? So how many are there? There's two of them.
2 sides, yeah.
Two sides, because this side, oops. Okay, this side also purple color. Okay, so we got a times 2. So if we times 2, this becomes 4. Okay, so purple is settled. This is the purple color side. Okay, next, let's talk about the green color, the base. Now, what is the area of the base? X times 2x minus 5. Correct? The base. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, next we have the red color. Now the red color is this rectangle. Okay, you can see that? The rectangle. So rectangle, red color is actually x times x minus 5. Okay, and there's two of them. So 2x. Right, so your job now is to add them together because all of them equals to 48 cm squared. So 4, let's just rainbow in 4x minus 20 x minus 5 plus x minus 5. Alright, this should give me equal to 48. So we rainbow everything in. So we get 4x squared minus 20x minus 20x plus 100 plus 4x squared minus 10x. Okay, sorry. 2x squared. Okay, so can you see that we got this long equation? So let's try to evaluate. We look at all the x squared, so there's 8 of them. And then we look at all the x. So minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 10, minus 50, minus 60. 100 minus 48 equals to 0. Okay, what do they want? 2. 0 and 4. Okay, so this is 8x squared minus 60x plus 52. Okay, so we divide by 4. So 2x squared minus 15x plus 13 equals to 0. Okay, so can you see it's shown?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the exact same stuff here. So it's shown. Next, solve the equation. So to solve this equation, you can use factorization. So 2x squared plus 13 minus 15x. 2x times x here. 13, 1. Minus minus. Right, so we solve it. 2x minus 13 equal to 0. X equals to 13 over 2. Or x equal to 1.
1.
Right? So there are two possibilities.
Where did the...
What?
yeah. Okay.
Okay, so the question is, how come one of them must be rejected?
Because it is decimal.
Huh? Decimal must be rejected, right?
Yeah, because the... Yeah.
No. This one reject. Why
Why?
reject? We gotta reject the 1. Because this one, x cannot be 1.
Okay.
If you put 1 minus 5 equals negative 4.
Yeah.
There's no such thing as a negative length.
Yeah.
Okay, x must be more than 5. Right, so this will be the correct answer. Okay, so calculate the volume of the box. I'm not going to do this. To find the volume, you just substitute x 6.5. Then you just say length and breadth and height. Okay?
Wait, say again. The
To find the volume.
volume, yeah.
Find the volume. Volume is length times breadth times height.
Okay.
This is the breadth, height. So you just multiply them together to get the volume. Just substitute x equals 6.5.
Okay.
Okay, so this one can. Question 1, okay. Right? Paper 1, were there a lot of algebra questions?
No.
Huh? Don't have?
Yeah. Got.
A lot.
Got a lot.
Were you able to do?
Yeah.
So algebra can?
Yeah, algebra was okay. So paper 2 won't have as much algebra.
I don't know, it depends. So like the first one is algebra, second one is...
That's not the first question.
What?
That's not the first question.
Eh? How come? Then where is question 1? 7, 8. Oh, question 1 is here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at question. How come so weird? Okay, so let's take a look at question 1. Solve the inequality. Okay, can you tell me how to solve? What would be your first step?
You make it cross multiply
Oh yeah,
to make it one line.
yeah. Okay, so let's execute, right? So cross multiply. So you just cross multiply 3x plus 4 more than equals to 5 to take away x. So it's really easy, easy to earn this 2 marks. So rearrange 3x plus 5x. X negative 1/4. Right? Did you get something like that as well?
Yeah.
Okay. Then how about second one?
The second one, you multiply 2y by 5 minus 2y.
Alright. Where is it? Multiply by?
5 minus 2y.
Yeah, very good. Because here you need one more.
Yeah.
So you see your algebra really saved the day, no? I don't know, I hope it. Do you think it helped you in paper 1?
I think so. Hopefully,
Okay. How would you rate your performance?
at first I found it not bad.
Okay.
Then, as it came to the last 3 questions, then I started slowing down. Then I didn't know there's like only 15 more minutes.
Oh no. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, never mind. How did your friends feel? Is it easy?
They felt the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, like there was like the questions were like simple, but for some reason just couldn't like figure out. Like the way they ask the question is very simple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is our combined solution. Okay, expressed as a single fraction, so this will be the single fraction. I don't think you can factorize. Just leave it like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Just leave it like that. It's fine. So you got the first step correct. Okay. How about this? Simplify. What do we do?
Change it to times.
Yeah. Okay. Do you want to try this? Then you tell me what's the answer.
Yeah. Okay.
This one should be okay. You do already. You can take a picture, send to me. I take a look.
Okay.
Okay, so you got that answer. Okay, let me go through and check.
Okay.
I'm gonna write on the board. Okay. H cube, J cube, So we change to times 10j square over 3h by k. Okay, so do some cancellation. Gonna use the color. This is 6. This is 1. A cube. H is gone. It's left 2. J. Okay, so that's all we can cancel. So let's take a look. 6. 2. So it's 12. J 5 divided by H. Yeah, very good. Okay, so you got it correct. Alright, same. So next, we have a negative 1/4.
So
What do we do with negative? Split. Yeah, very good. So it's V12 over 16T8 to the power 1/4. So after flipping, the power must go in, right?
Yeah.
So it's power rule. So V12, 12 times 1/4 becomes 3. Right, then 16 to the power 1/4 is 2t squared. Okay, so that's the final answer. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Alright, next one.
Number also have to.
Yeah, number also. Everything must
okay.
you're gonna add multiply the power.
Okay.
Right, applicable to everyone. So question 1 is just testing your algebra rules.
Yeah.
Next, solve the equation 2 over x minus 2 plus 3 over that one equals to 1. We just combine them. Just combine the two. That means you must find common denominator.
Common denominator.
Yeah, so common denominator, just use each of them. Over x minus 2. Alright, so equals to 1. Alright, so next, just bring this one there because it's equal to 1. So I'm just going to write here 2 so we evaluate them. Okay, and rearrange. Just rearrange. Bring everything to the left. Okay, so once you reach this state, you got to do the factorization. Alright, so because solve the equation, you have to find x. This one must find x. So how to find x? Factorize.
Factorize, yeah.
Alright, so x squared so x minus 5, x plus 2 equal to 0. Usually here, when equal to 0, it's split into 2.
And then x minus 2.
Yeah, x equal to 5. Okay?
Yeah.
Next, so that's it. So how many marks? 10 marks. I don't know.
2, 4, 6, 8, 11.
11, yeah. Secure 11. Next. Okay, next is standard form. Okay, calculate the mean number of passengers passing through each month. So this is 1 year. 1 year was this. So I want to find in 1 month. What do I do? Divide by 12. Okay?
Yeah.
Because this is 1 year. So here you can use your calculator. 10 to the power 7. Okay, so we get 4.51 times 10 to the power 6. Okay? That's it. I'm just using calculator.
Okay.
Alright. 3, because it said 3 single figure, 3 SF. So 3 SF is this one, 4.51.
3 SF.
Yeah, 3 SF.
Oh, okay.
Okay, the number of passengers passing through the airport was 55.09. Calculate the percentage that passed through in December. Okay, so the one percentage, so it's 5.09 times 10 to the power 6. Because million means 10 to the power 6. Divide by 5.41 times 10 to the power 7. Okay, then times 100%. So this will be equal to, you can simply use your calculator to do this and cancel away the 0, so that's left only 1. So essentially we get 5.09 divided by 54.1 times 100. So just use calculator. So it's 9.41%. Is this okay? Let's take a look.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, next one. Yep, a bit laggy here. Okay, next. Okay, in 2013, the number of people from Europe that visited Singapore was 1.591. In 2014, this number increased by 1.6. Calculate the number of people that visited Singapore. Okay, so there's an increase of 1.6%. How do we find 1.6%? Over 100 times.
1.591 times 10.
Yeah. Okay, so actually this one quite okay. I don't want to do. Right, it's calculator. Calculator work. Okay, same thing. This one also calculator work, right? It's just percentage finding, so it's using calculator. So nothing much to go through. Okay, I'm gonna skip. Go here. Okay, this particular question, how many bacteria are introduced to the culture at the start? How many? Oh, okay, so at the start, t, right? Let t equal 0 for the first one. So when t equals 0, y equals 50 times 2 to the power 0. So 50. So the answer is 50. Alright? Hello? Are you there?
Hello?
Hello, are you there?
Yeah, it was a bit laggy.
Okay, so do you understand how I got 50?
No.
Okay, so you see at the start, right? They want how many bacteria are introduced at the start. So at the start, time is 0. That's the beginning.
Yeah.
So we let t equals 0. When t equals 0, as seen in this working, 2 to the power 0 is 1, so 50 times 1 is 50. So the answer is 50. So find the value. Huh? Sorry?
No, I didn't say anything.
Okay, so find the value of p. To find the value of p, we let t equals to 0.5. So y equals
0.5.
t
Why?
is 0.
Oh, because t is 0.5.
Yeah, so just use calculator. What do you get? 50 times 2 to the power half.
70.7.
Yeah, easy?
Yeah.
Give away mark. Next. Okay, next is drawing. I can't draw here, so okay, skip that.
Yeah.
Next. A is A is the point and B is the point. Find the length. So here must memorize formula. Right, what's the formula? Square root y2 minus
y1
square plus x2
minus x1 square.
minus x1 square. So we get square root negative 12 square is 144. 64. So it's square root 144 plus 64, 208. 14.4. Right, so the length is 14.4. Find the equation of the line AB. So equation is y equals mx plus c. Alright, so how to find m? How do you find m?
You substitute.
How to substitute? M, what's m?
M is the gradient.
Yeah, how to find gradient? Formula for gradient?
Oh yeah.
y2
Minus y1 over x2 minus x.
Yeah, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 minus 12 over 8 negative 1.5. Okay, negative 1.5.
Yep.
M is negative 1.5. So how do you find C? You substitute xy value inside.
Yeah.
So we get y equals negative 1.5x plus c. Let's choose this one. This is x, this is y. So 10 equals negative 4 times 1.5, 6 plus c. C equals to 4. So the equation will be y equals to negative 1.5x plus 4. Alright? Is this okay?
Yeah.
Really? Can? Next. Show how you can tell that the line P does not intersect the line AB. So you have a new line P, and we have a line AB. This is line P. So how come they don't intersect? The only way that they do not intersect is when the gradient is the same. Right? We need to make the gradient the same. So how is the gradient the same? Let's look at this guy. It says 3x plus 2y equals 5. What I need to do is to rearrange this to the general equation of a line. What's the general equation of a line?
Y equals
Yeah, y equals mx plus c. So 2y equals to minus 3x plus 5. Okay, so can we see that the gradient is the same? This gradient is the same.
Yeah.
Alright, so same gradient means parallel. Now, if they are parallel, are they going to intersect? Parallel line. Parallel line has no intersection. Is it okay?
Yeah, we are.
Parallel line. The gradient is the same.
Okay, yeah.
Next. Okay, next we have line Q. So now we need to compare line Q and line P. So how do we compare that? Because now you want to find the point of intersection. Point of intersection means they intersect each other. There is a xy coordinate. So you gotta use simultaneous. Okay, what is equation number 2? This is P. So this is Q. Then P, where's P? P is 3x plus 2y. Okay, so equation 3, equation 1, equation 2. You can use substitution if you want to. Which method you want to use?
Substitution.
Substitute, right? So this one put inside here. So if 6y equals to, so from here, 2y equals to 4 over 3x minus 37 over 3. That's dividing by 3. For this equation 3, substitute into 2. This one go inside 2.
Why you divide it by 3?
Because I want to get 2y. Then the 2y can go inside.
Okay.
Substitution, ma? Okay, so I substitute in now. 3x plus 4x minus 37 over 3 equals to 5. Okay, so to make the equation easier, I multiply everything by 3. And do a rearrangement. 2. Okay, so x equals to 4. After we get x equal to 4, we will substitute x equal to 4 into any of the equations. So let's say we put into 2. So 3 times 4 plus 2y equals to 5. Okay, so y equals to -2. Alright, so this is the simultaneous equation. That's 3 marks. Okay, so this question also quite okay. Not too difficult to score. RC. Okay, now because it's a parallelogram, so this side is 3q, upwards it's 2p. See. So R to Q, definitely we get a 2p. So it's 2p plus something, plus RD. So ARRD 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1, ARRD 2 is to 1. That means this is 1Q. So it's just 2p plus Q. So far, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, next, continue. So S is a point on AD. Okay, part B, S is a point on AD and T is a point on CD, such that RC equal to ST. RC equals to 2ST. Where is T?
T. S is a point on AD and T is a point on CD.
CD.
So it's in between, somewhere along CD.
RC 2ST. Okay, so should be something like that. Like. Right, so the S is here, T is here. This is ST. Is it okay? ST is somewhere here.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's a bit laggy.
Yeah, that's why it's like waiting a while before any response.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's continue. Okay, so show that triangles RCD and STD are similar. RCD, STD. Okay, so we gotta prove that the two triangles are similar. First, we will see that the angles are the same. That means angle RDC is equal to angle SDC. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Okay, so they're the same. So next one is the length. Because RC.
Wait, what's the reason for the
Hmm?
angle RDL? Is because they share an angle, right?
Yeah, it's the same angle.
But how do you write it out in the reason?
Oh, reason. They're the same angle.
Oh, that's it. Just same angle.
Yeah, just say same angle.
Okay.
Yeah, same angle of the triangle. So okay, the next one we want to look at is this angle versus this angle. Okay, the other color. Green. Okay, this one and this one. Now these two are parallel, right? Parallel. So angle RCD equals angle STD. Right? So that's called the corresponding angle. Okay? So two angles same. Now the third one must be the same as well. Green color. That is angle CRD is equal to angle TSD. Right? Why? Because you can either use corresponding angle, right? It's a corresponding angle, or you can say that because the first two angles are the same, the third one must be the same as well. Hello?
Yeah, I
Next one. So done. So this one is done. Find the ratio. Okay, so this one settled already. Next one. Find the ratio of triangle STD is to area parallelogram ABCD. So ratio area triangle STD. Where is STD? So STD. Right. Versus the whole parallelogram. Half times AB. Okay, green color versus the whole thing. T halfway. Okay, this T is halfway. This T, right, is halfway between C and D.
Yeah.
Right, it's halfway. So if you want to find the area of this triangle, I've got too many colors here. Oops. Okay, so if I need to find the area of this triangle, what is the formula to find the area of this triangle?
Half times base times height.
Half times base times height, yeah. Right, so it's half times b times h. Now let's say I want to find the area of the parallelogram. What's the formula for the, let's say this is h.
Half times
Parallelogram, right? The whole
a.
thing. This whole thing. A, B, C, D.
You take half.
Half. Well, why need half? Don't need half.
Oh yeah, because it's parallel.
So just, okay, the blue color thing, let me just go through. It's actually AD times H. Okay, area of parallelogram. A is equal to ADH. Let's say the base times the height. Now, how about this one? The STD. Okay, let me write over the other side so you can compare. So STD, area of STD is half times SD times half times H over 2. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, now the problem is, what is the ratio between SD and AD? What's the ratio? Because RD is 1Q, right?
Yeah.
At the bottom, how about half of it? SD.
1/2.
Yeah, so it's half Q. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to change everything to Q. So you see AD is 3. AD is 3 units, right?
Yeah.
3Q ma. And then SD is half Q. This is 3Q. Okay, so with the same units now, we can do a comparison.
Wait, but why half times half time?
No, remember just now this was SD?
Yeah, SD. Yeah.
SD is half of
Yeah,
Q.
yeah.
Right, so that's where the half came from. So this would be equal to 1/8 QH. This is 3 QH.
Really?
So what is the ratio? So we can find the ratio right now. Because we can remove both QH, so the ratio is just 1/8 is to 3. And I multiply by 8, so it's 1:24. Okay, so the ratio is just 1:24. Final answer 1:24. Okay.
Okay.
So it's basically finding area. Okay, next, Q is a point on BC. Triangle QAB is congruent to triangle RCD. Find QR. Okay, Q is on BC. Q is on BC. What's BC? Oh, okay. So Q is somewhere here. Q. QAB is congruent to RCD. RCD. QAB. Okay. We're gonna do something like that. Alright. So Q is like here. QAB, it's congruent to RCD. RCD is on the other side. RCD. Okay, so what are we supposed to do now? Find QR. Where is QR?
It is
Here. Okay, can you see the blue color line?
Ah.
That's Q R. Okay, it's congruent. Congruent means that this is 1Q as well. So Q needs to travel to R. Wait, that looks pretty simple. For Q to travel to R, if here is 1Q, this side is 2Q.
Why? Oh yeah.
3Q altogether. So what we do is we take 3Q plus, minus 2P minus Q. Because it's going backwards. So far is it okay?
Yeah.
So that will be equal to Q, 2Q minus 2P. That looks pretty simple. So that's 2. 2Q minus 2P. Okay, it's just 2Q minus 2P.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so so this is vectors. Right, so according to your school prediction, there is a vector question. How do you find the vector, this one?
QR.
Now, how do you find this vector question?
Oh, how do I find this vector question?
Yeah.
Okay. We done this before.
Yeah. So you know how to do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's pretty okay, huh?
Yeah. It's not. Definitely a few questions. A few ones that's a little bit trickier. Yeah.
Tomorrow
But
is it?
okay lah.
Tomorrow is it morning paper?
No, afternoon.
Oh, okay lah. Get to sleep lah. It's fine.
Yeah, but I plan to wake up early also.
To study.
Yeah, study a bit lah.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta do a bit, I guess so. Then after that, when is the science paper?
Oh, science is next week.
Next week. Okay. Can still got time.
Yeah.
Wow. Right. This week you can rest a while. So tomorrow, are we having a session tomorrow?
Yeah.
For science,
For science yeah.
Okay. Can. Okay, so this one done. Okay, let's try to do some more. What's the next one? Right?
Next one would be is there measurements?
Measurement. Mensuration.
Mensuration. No. Yeah, mensuration. Mensuration.
Menstruation.
Yeah.
Menstruation don't have. Only this one. This is only mensuration. Were you tested for this?
No.
No. Okay, then we want to go through this.
This one we went through already.
Yeah, but because okay, mensuration. Let's say you want to do mensuration, right? You need to know the different shapes,
And the formula, right?
Yeah, you know the formula. You don't have to memorize. You don't have to memorize all the formula because it's given. The only one you need to remember is the cylinder. Okay, let me draw up for you. So this is the cylinder. Cylinder. So for cylinder, what's the formula for volume? It's pi r square h. Volume pi r square h. So you find the area. It's 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Right? This is the only one you have to memorize. The rest are given to you like sphere. Sphere volume is 4 pi r cube. Area is 4 pi r square. So
Is given, man?
yeah. Only cylinder don't have.
The area isn't.
Sorry.
Area isn't given,
It should have. Should have.
It's only the volume of a sphere, no area.
You don't see any 4 pi.
Got.
Have lah. Should have.
So only cylinder lah.
Yeah, only cylinder. Right? Pyramid they're all given. Cone also given. 1/3 base area times height.
1/3 base area times height.
Alright, both are the same. Both the cone and the pyramid volume, right, equals to 1/3 base area times height. Both are the same. Alright, except cone, then you got something else for area. Area equals to pi RL plus pi R squared. That's the area.
For cone.
Yeah, cone. If
Pi
not, the
RL.
volume is the same. Volume is 1/3 base area times height.
Okay.
Yep. That's it. So that's mensuration. So you just need to know where is the letter R, where is L, where is H. Yeah.
So for H for pyramid it's in the middle, right?
Yeah, H is the middle.
Then for cone?
Same thing. Middle.
Middle.
Yeah.
Then for sphere is at the side, right?
Huh? Sphere don't have height. Sphere only have radius.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, then the next one I think is
Statistics.
yeah. Let me check.
Okay, so we did the question 7. That's the this is the
Pythagoras theorem also never asked.
oh okay. So Pythagoras theorem. How it looks like. Pythagoras theorem. Yeah. Something like that. How to find AC?
AC.
Yeah.
Use the
Pythagoras theorem.
tangent.
Huh? Don't need lah. The Pythagoras theorem.
Can use Pythagoras theorem to find. Oh yeah, to find AC. Yeah.
Yeah, 90 degree triangle. Okay, so just use Pythagoras.
Properties of circle also never asked in paper 1.
Ah, really? Yeah. So many
Yeah.
things now.
Yeah, quite a lot of things never asked.
Okay, so then what did they ask?
They asked all like the more or less like quite simple one. So paper 2 is gonna be very hard.
Ah, serious?
Yeah, because like a lot they never ask a lot of the harder questions. Yeah.
Can you pass one?
I think I can pass paper 1, but that's why I say for paper 2.
Okay lah, don't worry lah. Just do, okay? Okay,
Yeah.
so let's say you want to talk about the properties of circles. Remember you just got to remember the properties are 6 circles.
But I can't remember the reason. I can remember the rules, but I can't remember the reasons.
Write something I'll show you what to write, okay? Okay, so first one, 90 degrees, right?
Yeah.
Like that. And after that, here, 90. Just draw everything first.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna start from the top. Okay, so this one, the first one on the top left hand, is 90 degrees. So angle. Just write something simple, okay? Diameter. Okay, what does it say here? It says here that if you have this one.
Angle. This is the angle is circumference equals 90 degrees.
Yeah, angle at circumference equals 90 degrees. Can Right, what's next? This one? Angle between tangent and radius equals 90 degrees. Okay, this one?
Angle twice angle at circumference.
angle at center equal to angle at circumference. This one? Both are x, right? So angle of same segment. Right, same segment. This one?
What?
Cyclic chord A plus B equal 180 degrees. This one equal this one. Alternate segment theorem. Okay, just give something. You see, I don't want you to spend too much time trying to remember the words.
But a lot of times they will ask for the reason.
No, it's not a lot of time. It's every time. They ask for the reason every single time.
Then what do I put?
Put this up. Put stuff like that. Just put something, Angle circumference 90 degrees. Don't leave blank, of course. Then just write something.
Yeah.
So these are the common ones. Okay, let's try and see what we have here, right? So let's say we try to find x. I know we solve this. You gotta find this angle, right?
Yeah.
Using trigonometry, correct? Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So after you found this, so this one will be equal to x, correct? Now, which rule is this?
The angle at same segment.
Yeah. Angle from the same segment are equal. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. So don't over stress on exactly what you need to put. I will stress on, are you able to solve the question first? Okay. What's next?
The angles, triangles, and polygons.
Polygon.
Yeah.
Polygon. Not tested also a polygon.
Yeah.
Wow. What did they test? Polygon. Okay. Polygon. Then here. Polygon. So polygon, there are two formula. Sum of interior equals to
n minus 2 times 180 over.
Yeah, sum of exterior equals to
360.
Yeah, 360 degrees. So using this idea, we will be able to solve all sorts of polygon questions, which includes this one right now. So find the number of sides. You try how to find the number of sides.
You must find EDF.
EDF. Okay, so we know this one is 108. So 360 minus 96 minus 108. 156. Okay, so that little angle there is 156. How to find the number of sides?
N minus 2 over 180 divided by n equals 156.
Yeah. Then find n.
Yeah.
Okay, no need to continue. I've done this before. Right. So this is the polygon angles. Let me see. Is there any angle stuff? Angles. This one? Is this considered? Yeah, this one.
That's considered
Angles. So this is the radian thing. Radian study.
Oh, the radian.
Yeah. No other angle stuff. This one?
That's bearing.
Yeah. Bearing, was it tested?
Yeah. It was exactly like the I think 2000.
One of the year.
Yeah, one of the year. They asked like very, very similar.
Wow, then you know how to do it.
Yeah.
Oh, lucky.
Yeah.
Okay. So I can't find any other angle stuff. Never mind. Graph, graph have or not?
Graph confirm have.
No, I said this sketching.
Oh, the sketching done already.
Oh,
They
done.
asked paper one.
Easy? Was it easy?
Yeah, it was similar to this one also.
Oh, really? Then okay, I see. That's why I say must do what? Must do 10 series.
Yeah, then the questions repeat.
See lah, you see, you never do 10 times. I tell you to do 10 times, right? 10 series. How many times you did? Once. I think about once or twice. Yeah, if you do 10 times, you can go become professor. Emath professor. Okay, let's take a look at this. Right? This is the radian. Any radian stuff?
Uh,
Let me see the picture on my phone. Radian position bar chart. Mean median mode. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, angle probably a circle. This is radian circle studies.
it isn't on the.
Yeah, it's not here. Like why?
But I don't remember them asking about this.
Oh,
Yeah, so I think will probably appear in paper 2.
try. Okay. Try.
Yeah.
So the diagram shows a semicircle, radius 30 cm. So where's the radius?
M.
Huh? No lah.
AM.
No, radius Radius.
Huh?
Yeah. All these are 30. This is a radius one. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So show that. Okay, wait. OM is equal 20. So OM, gotta draw the line for them. That is 20. Okay. So show that angle AOB equal 96.4. This one, 96.4. Oh, straight. Trigonometry,
How
Trigo.
is the right angle, man?
Yeah. Here, right angle.
Uh,
So this one 20, this one 30. You gotta find this. This one right angle.
and
Then so this is hypotenuse.
sine,
This one is adjacent.
cosine.
Yeah, so theta. So cosine theta equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Theta equals to cosine inverse 2/3. Cosine inverse 2/3. 48.19. Okay, so that's one side. We got two of them. See that? That's one side. So
Then
we
you
need
pass it lah.
times 2.
Times 2.
So we get 96.4 shown. Okay. So okay. Okay, calculate the shaded area. Find the shaded area. Alright, so basically take that segment, that sector minus triangle.
Which the gray color sector is it?
Hmm?
The gray.
Green color. This one minus this one. Okay, green color minus red color. I want to find the gray color part.
Yeah.
How do we do that? So to find the segment, the green color, green, let's use green. So segment equals to, so it's 96.4, right? Over 360 times pi r squared.
That's the formula, right?
Yeah, that's one. This is the angle divided by 360
60
times pi r squared, that segment. Because the angle here is 96.4. So you take 96.4 divided by 360 times pi r squared.
That's to find the green color part, right?
Yeah, green color. See, I use green color, ma.
Okay.
Right. So let's use a calculator. Okay, so we get 757.12. Okay, next, red color. So red color is the triangle. So to find the area of triangle, half times base times height, right? But I don't have base, so I take half AB sine C. Okay,
so you use that formula when you don't have the base, right?
So again, the what? The what?
You use the half AB sine C when you don't have
no base.
Okay.
Okay, so half times AB 30 times 30 sine 96.4. So just calculator. Okay, so we get 447.19. So now we got a minus, right? Because shaded part is there. So shaded equals to 757. And we get 309.93.
The green color part is a minor sector, right?
Yeah.
Then area of a major sector is just theta over 360, right?
Theta over 360. No, I mean, it depends on the angle. The angle, yeah, you just take the angle. Like here is 96.4. So we take 96.4 divide, this is the theta. Okay, theta over 360. So if it's the big one that you want to find the big angle.